In this video, you will learn how to install the Bettersizer ST Laser Diffraction Particle Size Analyzer. In just a few simple steps, you can start your particle exploration journey. Follow our video. It will take about 15 minutes to finish the installation. The installation will be divided into 4 parts: preparation, unpacking, instrument connection, and software setup. Now, let's start. First, prepare the installation. Make sure that the working temperature of your lab is 10 to 30 degrees Celsius, 50 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity should be less than 80%. The voltage of the Bettersizer ST ranges from 110 to 240 volts AC. Last but not least, prepare 2 liquid containers for water supply and water drainage. For better performance of the ST, make sure that the working environment is free of dust contamination, external vibration source, and electromagnetic interference. The workbench should be rigid, and its length and width should not be less than 280 centimeters, 78 3/4 times 31 1/2 inches. After the preparation, unpack the wooden crate from the side. You will find a carton and a black service kit. The Bettersizer ST is in the carton. Take it out carefully. And the service kit contains various accessories for installation and maintenance. Take the accessories out of the service kit. Make sure you have following accessories for the installation: a quick guide, a power cord, a power adapter, a USB cable, a USB disc, a silicone circulating tube, a silicone drainage tube, and a nozzle for inlet tube. The following accessories are for maintenance instead of installation. Keep them in the service kit and put the service kit into the warehouse. You can also read the user manual, brochure, accessory checklist, and 100 Q&A booklet for more details about the Bettersizer ST and particle sizing. Now you are ready to install the Bettersizer ST. We recommend placing the ST, computer, and printer in the order shown in the video. Please place your computer next to the Bettersizer ST for an easy installation, and make sure there is enough space for the 2 liquid containers under the workbench. Once the placement is complete, you will start the connection from the back side of the Bettersizer ST. Connect the silicone circulating tube first. Connect one end of the inlet port of the Bettersizer ST. Insert the nozzle to the other end and place it into the container filled with clean water. Then, connect the silicone drainage tube. Connect one end to the drainage port of the Bettersizer ST. Put the other end into the waste container. Next, connect the USB cable. Connect one end to the signal port of the Bettersizer ST. Connect the other end to the computer. Next, connect the instrument to power supply. For the operation of the Bettersizer ST, a power adapter is necessary. Connect the power cord to the power adapter. Connect one end of the power adapter to the power port of the Bettersizer ST. Connect one end of the power cord to the power socket. Now the connection of the Bettersizer ST is completed. Next, let's move on to software setup to finish the installation. Switch on the Bettersizer ST and then the computer. Insert the USB disc and select the USB disc driver. Open the folder Bettersizer Laser Particle Analyzer System and double-click the setup program. Please finish the setup according to the interface prompt. After the software setup is complete, you need to update the driver. Right-click this PC icon and select Manage to display Computer Management window. Select Device Manager, Other Device, STM32 Virtual COM port. Right-click this option to select Update Driver and select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then head back to the USB disk driver and select the folder High Speed Driver 1.1. Click OK to finish the driver update. Then, launch the software and click Supply, Drainage, Circulation, Ultrasound, R-Speed Plus, and R-Speed minus icons to test the system. If the ST works properly, the installation of the ST is complete. Enjoy your particle exploration journey. Today, Bettersize Instruments has 36 local support centers and labs around the world and is growing. If you are interested in our products, please contact your local Bettersize authorized distributors. For more information, please visit www.bettersizeinstruments.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel or LinkedIn for all the latest news. Bettersize, better particle size solution.